Hi, this is Dr. Adrin Tenerife Sacristan and welcome to our online classroom at Kuya Prof TV.
Kuya Prof TV gives you something cool, useful, and a life-changing tool.
Meaning and importance of operations management. Objectives. After studying this lesson, the learner should be able to, number 1, demonstrate understanding of the meaning, nature, and concepts of operations management. Number 2, understand the importance of operations management to the organizations and to the economy. Number 3, understand the essential aspects of operations management in the realization of the organization's vision and mission. Number 4, differentiate between design and operation of production system. Number 5, describe the key aspects of operations management, decision making. And number 6, briefly describe the historical evolution of operations management. And lastly, number 7, identify current trends that impact operations management. This lesson focuses on the basic topics in operations management, the different terminologies, concepts, and principles. In this lesson, we would be able to define, discuss, and apply the importance of operations management in achieving the vision and mission of the organization. What is operations management? Operations management is a field of business concerned with the administration of business practices to maximize efficiency within an organization. It involves planning, organizing, and overseeing the organization's processes to balance revenues and costs and achieve the highest possible operating profit. An operations manager is tasked with ensuring the organization successfully converts inputs such as materials, labor, and technology into outputs in an efficient manner. Operations management is a major activity in an organization that involves the creation or production of goods and services in achieving organizational and national goals. Operations management is synonymous with the following words, such as production, procurement, goods and services, processes, distribution, reverse engineering, machineries and equipment, and global operations. Also, domestic operations, productivity, work, process, and service methods and design, efficiency and effectiveness, production plant layout, demands, forecasting, logistics, and labor efficiency and productivity. Those words are synonymous with operations management. And what is the importance of operations management? Operation management shows us what OM managers do. This enables us to learn the skills, techniques, and models needed to practice 21st century management and to also explore the lucrative career opportunities in OM. Operations management represents as much as 70% of the operating budget of most firms due to manufacturing capacity, warehousing, distribution, inventories, research and development, maintenance, facilities and equipment, worker training, cost and quality control, and planning and scheduling. Operations management, by virtue of its huge collective budget, provides a major opportunity for the firm to improve its profitability. In fact, OM has become the last resort for most firms that have exhausted the potential of marketing, finance, and general management. About 40% of all jobs in the United States, for instance, are in operations management. Exposure to the following discipline will enhance one's jobs prospects: operations research, statistics, information system, economics, mathematics, logistics, transportation, accounting and finance, computer science, engineering, and manufacturing. Those are the potential areas wherein people who are engaged into operations management has really a lot of opportunities. And details of this will be discussed in our synchronous session. See you there.
Prof. Si Kuya Prof, si Kuya Prof, si Kuya Prof.